t-Earrach a chalíní. We're going to move on now in Gaeilge to an t-Earrach. Now, an t-Earrach is the spring. Agus seo iad míana an tairg, an fiabhra, an Márta, agus an Abrán. An fiabhra, Márta, agus Abrán. February, March and April. And an fiabhra atá ann anois. It's February now. So I want you to éist leis an scéal.
Anam nig na bloghanna. Banya bo blachtan. Anam nig na bloghanna. Sourkeen. Anam nig na bloghanna. Croak. Anam nig na bloghanna. Noneen. Anam nig na bloghanna. Lusach rumkeen. Cén dá tá an bainne bo blachtan? Tá an bainne bo blachtan buí. Cén dá atá an sourkeen? Tá an sourkeen buí agus bán. Cén dá atá an croak? Tá an croak bán. Cén dá atá an noneen? Tá an noneen bán agus buí. Cén dá atá lusach rumkeen? Tá lusach rumkeen buí. An malach an bainne bo blachtan? Is mailam an bainne bo blachtan. Cén blá is fearlaach? Is fearlam lusach rumkeen. Cén blá is fearlaach? Is fearlam an sourkeen.
So girls, seo iad bloghanna an tairg, spring flowers. So seo iad noneen, daisies, bainne bo blachtan, cowslips, sourkeen, primrose, croak, crocuses, agus lus an chrumkeen, daffodils. Now let's have a look at some of the little games and you can help me play them. So we'll do the task Tishkina first, the listening task.
Bí ag éisteach.
Listen.
Chuir bainne bo blachtan sa ghairdín.
So cá bhfuil an bainne bo blachtan? An seo? The cowslip.
Jaus.
Chuir noneen sa ghairdín.
Cá bhfuil an noneen, the daisy. Seo é an noneen. Chuir mé é an sin.
Jaus.
Chuir lus an chrumkeen sa ghairdín.
So cá bhfuil an lus an chrumkeen. We have our daffodil.
Jaus.
Chuir croak sa ghairdín.
Chuir croak sa ghairdín. Put a crocus in the garden.
Jaus.
Chuir sourkeen sa ghairdín.
And sourkeen, which is a primrose.
Jaus.
Now we'll go to our folklore. Now we have our words down here. Bainne bo blachtan, which is a cowslip. Sourkeen, a primrose. Croak, which is a crocus. Noneen, which is a daisy. Agus lus an chrumkeen, which is a daffodil.
Chuir an focal in aice leis an Victor Carp. Bainne bo blachtan.
Bainne bo blachtan. It's a cowslip.
Jaus Alt.
Croak.
Croak, a crocus.
Jaus Alt.
Noneen.
Cá bhfuil an noneen.
Jaus Alt.
Sourkeen.
Sourkeen, which is a primrose.
Jaus Alt.
Lus an chrumkeen.
Agus lus an chrumkeen, a daffodil.
is aus is out.
Anisha Chalini, now girls, I want you to open up your copies Oscail the Choplar agus taring picture then a chuig blah. I want you to draw a picture of the 5 different flowers. And then I want you to label them with the correct Irish word. So it's just 5 little pictures and underneath write the 5 types of flowers. And you can colour them in, and I'm looking forward to seeing all your beautiful flowers of spring, your blóhanna and tarig. And now girls, we'll just finish up on a nice little song all about blóhanna. And you may have heard all this song before.
Blóhanna.
Can on tauran.
Can hic mé an tauran?
Blóhanna beg go bána, blóhanna beg go bui. Bainne bóblach dáin is saois cíní. Croak agus nóní blossom from king. Blóhanna beg go bána, blóhanna beg go bui.
Anna wa fada Chalini mahu. Slán.